In the world of construction and demolition, jackhammers have become essential for tackling tough materials like concrete, asphalt, and stone. Whether you're a professional contractor or a serious DIYer, having the right jackhammer can make all the difference. In this guide, we review the best jackhammers based on power, build quality, vibration control, user comfort, and list on Berserker 1700W 30-pound demolition jackhammer with 1 3/16 hex, 14 amp corded electric heavy-duty demo chipping hammer. The Berserker 1700W jackhammer is a powerhouse built for those who need serious demolition strength. Featuring a 14 amp motor and delivering 30 pounds of raw force, it's ideal for concrete, stone, and tile projects. The 1 3/16 hex chisel size ensures deep penetration and efficient debris removal. What sets this jackhammer apart is its durable metal housing and ergonomic grip, which reduce fatigue over extended periods. Users report minimal vibration for a tool this size, making it surprisingly manageable. It also lists number ENEACRO Demolition Jackhammer 14.5 amp SDSX concrete breaker, 65 joules heavy-duty chipping hammer. The ENEACRO 14.5 amp jackhammer stands out for its impressive 65 joule impact energy, making it one of the most powerful in its class. Designed for heavy-duty concrete and stone demolition, it uses an SDS hex chuck system for easy bit changes and strong torque transfer. The motor is air-cooled for longevity, and the double-insulated casing ensures user safety. Despite its industrial-level power, ENEACRO includes features like an anti-vibration handle and adjustable D-grit, which help reduce fatigue during long sessions. The build quality is top-tier, with a solid metal body and reinforced internal components. List number xtremepower US 2200 watt demolition electric jackhammer power drill concrete breaker bar point. xtremepower US offers an excellent balance of power and price with their 2200 watt electric jackhammer. With 1800 BPM and a 2200 watt motor, it's engineered for medium to heavy-duty tasks like concrete breaking, trench digging, and tile removal. The dual chisel set, point and flat, included in the kit adds versatility right out of the box. What makes this model attractive is the combination of raw impact energy and affordability. Perfect for occasional users or contractors on a budget. It features a 1 1/8 inch hex shank system for secure bit locking and easy switching. While it doesn't have the premium anti-vibration features of higher-end models, it compensates with a list number 1/4 inch SDS Plus 13 amp heavy-duty rotary hammer drill with safety clutch, 4 functions and variable speed. This versatile 1/4 inch SDS Plus rotary hammer drill is a hybrid between a drill and a demolition hammer, making it ideal for lighter chipping, drilling, and rotary hammer tasks. Powered by a 13 amp motor, it delivers enough force to drill through masonry, brick, and light concrete. While its 4-in-1 functionality lets you switch between drill-only, hammer-only, rotary hammer, and chisel adjustment modes. A standout feature is the variable speed dial and safety clutch, which protects both the tool and the user from torque overloads. It's significantly lighter and more compact than full-size jackhammers, so it's list number ENEACRO SDS Max Demolition Jackhammer for concrete, lightweight 11 amp electric demo chipping hammer. For users needing power without the bulk, the ENEACRO SDS Max Jackhammer offers a smart balance between performance and portability. Featuring an 11 amp motor and SDS Max compatibility, this lightweight chipping hammer is excellent for medium-duty concrete removal and wall demolition. Despite its lighter profile, it doesn't skimp on features, delivering respectable impact energy and an ergonomic design with an adjustable handle for optimal control. The built-in anti-vibration system reduces fatigue, and the tool's compact size makes it suitable for tight spaces or vertical jobs. While not as powerful as large